Okay? Yeah. So, everybody please stand. Please swallow and please be ready. Amen. Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. Good morning, everyone.
So before we go to the seated, let's have an energizer first. So just follow what is showing in the video. Okay, please be seated.
Thank you, teacher.
Wait muna lang. So, I will going to check your attendance. So, as I called your name, say present. So, Kuala,
Present, teacher.
Bubo,
Present, teacher.
Larissa.
Present, teacher.
Very good. So, there's no absent in your class today. Okay, class, if the class is going on, what should we do?
Teacher.
Yes, Bubo.
Raise your right hand if you want to answer.
Anyone? Yes.
Listen to someone who was talking in the computer.
Thank you. Anybody? Yes?
Ask permission if you want to go out.
Okay, thank you very much. So, before we're going to proceed in our discussion, I will check if you still remember our previous lesson by answering this activity. Okay. So, direction. Right true if the statement is true about the moon. False if it is not true. Number one, the moon is not a planet but a satellite.
False. True.
Okay, very good. Number two, the moon has its own light. It does not get its light from the sun.
False. False, teacher.
Okay, very good. Number three, the shape of the moon seems to change from time to time.
True, teacher.
Very good.
True, teacher.
Very good. It is full moon when the moon is between the sun and earth.
True, teacher.
Very good. It is true. Number five. We see small edge of the moon lighted on new moon.
True, teacher.
Very good. So I think you still remember our last topic yesterday. So please read this. Please read this, everyone.
The different shapes of the list portion of the moon that can be seen from Earth are known as phases of the moon. Each phase repeats itself every 29.5 days. The half of the moon always exists the Earth because of its tidal latitude. So the phases will always occur over the same half of the moon's surface.
Thank you very much. I think you are now ready to learn a new topic. Okay. So our topic for today is all about belief and practices associated with the moon. So I will read this. Lunar worship, these are some beliefs known in other countries. Lunar worship. Many ancient cultures worship the moon as a deity or they believe that the moon had a power to control the tides, regulate the season, and influence human behavior. Lunar calendars, several cultures, including the ancient Greeks and Chinese developed calendars based on the cycle of the moon. These calendars were used to track time and determine the timing of the important events, such as religious festival or agricultural practice. So, So as what I said, our topic for today is all about beliefs and practices associated with the moon. So I'm going to show you a video that is related to our topic. Earthlings have entertained many theories about the moon throughout the history. Some of these beliefs originated from different observations of that environment and the nighttime sky. Would you like to know the different theories, beliefs, and superstitions about the moon and its particular capacity? Come and join me in this wonderful new episode about the moon. Many people live thousands of miles from any of them, as the lunar cycles of the tides, and since the moon affects the ocean tides, it must be compelling that it affects the human body as well. There are some superstitious beliefs about the moon which originated from different people based on their observation of the land and the environment. Number one. Full moons indicate rain. Since ancient times, full moons have been associated with all moons including sleepwalking, alien activity, violence, and of course, transforming to miracles. Scary. Indeed, the words lunacy and galactic came from the Roman goddess of the moon who was said to ride the secret chariot across the dark sky of night. For thousands of years, doctors have medical professionals reviewed its strong connection with the Veda and the Doctor was considered the father of motion and movement. So, my question po after okay, what was the video all about?
Teacher,
Yes, Carissa.
the video all about the belief and practice associated.
Very good. So how many practices are there? Yes, Hugo.
We have a 10 teacher.
Thank you. Very good. So can you give me those 10 beliefs and practices associated with the moon? You can give me. Anybody? Yes?
The new moon is a time to plant crops.
Yes, thank you very much. Anybody at a glance? Yes?
Arcing around the moon means that the rain will come in 3 days.
Next. Very good. Yes, Mr. Hugo.
Crimes and accidents usually happen during the full moon.
Yes.
The full moon is associated with human happiness.
Yes, thank you very much. So before that, we have our objectives here in our class. So can we read?
Discuss some beliefs and practices that have been attributed to the moon. Describe some investigation on how moon beliefs were scientifically affects the Earth. Relate how moon scientifically affects the Earth.
Thank you very much. So we're having our activity. So paragraph about a belief that is related to the moon. The rubrics below could serve as your scoring guide. Place your output in the blackboard. Now, I will group you into two groups and you will write a paragraphs about your beliefs or your practices about the moon. So, here are our rubrics. Okay. So, I will give, for accuracy, I will give 5 points if all given concepts are correct. 3 points if most of the given concepts are correct. And 1 point if most of the given concepts are not correct. For teamwork, team members have indicated complete participation and cooperation. 3 points for team members have indicated some participation and cooperation. 1 point if team member have indicated minimal participation and cooperation. And for organization, completeness of ideas explained is presented. Number 3, some ideas are not presented or delivered. The idea presented is not coherent with the explanation. So, I will group you into 2 groups, the first group and then the second group. So, when you write what answer in the direction, write your beliefs or that is associated with the moon, your own beliefs, and a paragraph that you will read it in the front. Okay? Ayan ang pangatang dapat. Okay. Place on the board your output and present it.
The Holy Angel of God, mystery.
Doon ka na muna. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay na? Basta magayon ang stop na sikat na kung natin. Hindi ko kasama. Okay, for the number 1, there are many superstitions associated with the moon, including the belief that is love to start a new project during a warming moon or to cut your hair during the full moon. Okay, very good for the group 1. For the group 2, okay. Several cultures, including the ancient Greeks and Chinese, developed calendars based on the cycles of the moon. Okay, very good. For now, I'm going to give points. For the group 1, for accuracy, I will give a 5 points. Okay. For the group 2, I will give also a 5 points for accuracy. Very good. Then, now for the teamwork. Everybody is cooperating ba?
Yes!
Sure, so I will give the 2 groups 5 points. Then for the organization, I will give a 5 points for group 2, but for the group 1, you are late to face on the board on time or there is something fun, but I will give you 3 points. So the group 1 will get a 14 points, but for the group 2, you will get a 15 points. Okay, let's have another activity. Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher!
With your same group, there is a picture here. Then I will pick up it. So you're going to do is to paste it in front or buukin ninyo, those are yung pictures that in here. So, are you ready?
Yes,
You're
teacher.
going to paste it on the board, the pictures that is in here. Okay, so this is for the group 1, this is for the group 2. So, I have here is sketch A. Stop na. Stop na. Diwata na ikantado. Ikantado. Ayun lang sir. Sabi mo. So, what have you observed in the picture? It is scary or not?
Scary,
Scary. This is called what we call the mythological picture in a Filipino mythology. No? They believe that if the moon is very bright and it's very big or full moon, the beliefs of other Filipinos there will be going a monster, a half body monster that can fly, or they call it manananggal in other words or other language. And if the moon is very dark, the moon is very color red, the other beliefs of other Filipinos, there will be going a monster or a swamp in other term. Look at this, it's so scary, right?
Yes, teacher.
So, for that, as we go along, so what was the 10 beliefs and practices associated with the moon? Okay, let us read.
The new moon is the time to plant crops.
Number 2.
A ring around the moon means that the rain will eventually.
Number 3.
Crimes and accidents usually happen during the full moon.
Number 4.
The full moon is associated with human madness.
Number 5.
The moon can cause earthquake.
Number 6.
The new project should be started at the time of the new moon.
Number 7.
It is wrong to point the new moon for it will bring bad luck.
Number 8.
The weather will be good if the new moon is on a Monday.
Number 10.
The light of the moon affects the facility.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now, let's go along with your assessment. So please get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer these questions. I will give you a 15 minutes to answer this.
I'm done, teacher.
Answer that. Yes, paper. Okay. So you have learned very well. Have you learned today, class? Did you have?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So for that, let's have your assignment. Okay. So please read.
Observe the moon for a week. Draw and describe